Welcome back to Car Vibes, your go-to spot for everything cars. And today, we're diving deep into what makes the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing such a beast on wheels and one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year. Starting off, the 2026 model carries forward the heart and soul of its predecessor, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, but Cadillac didn't just leave it there. The updated powertrain now pumps out an estimated 685 horsepower and 670 pounds-ft of torque, a modest but meaningful bump over the previous generation. This engine is paired with either a precise 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic for those who want peak performance with a flick of the paddle. The Blackwing rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.4 seconds, and the top speed surpasses 200 miles per hour, placing it firmly in supercar territory, all while wrapped in the body of a luxury midsize sedan. Visually, the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing brings sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and a newly sculpted front fascia that improves aerodynamics and adds to its commanding presence. Cadillac has updated the lighting elements with a futuristic LED signature and enhanced the front grille design to aid cooling and airflow. The hood now features a more prominent venting system, reducing heat and drag while adding that unmistakable motorsport vibe. The carbon fiber packages are still available, offering lightweight elements like a rear spoiler, front splitter, rear diffuser, and side skirts, which not only look menacing, but also deliver real aerodynamic advantages at high speeds. Step inside the CT5-V Blackwing, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends racing inspiration with executive-class comfort. Cadillac has upgraded the interior materials with rich semi-aniline leather, real carbon fiber trim, micro-suede accents, and magnesium paddle shifters. The 2026 model features a fully redesigned dashboard anchored by a massive 33-inch curved LED display that integrates both the digital gauge cluster and the infotainment system. The graphics are crisp, the interface is intuitive, and the responsiveness is class-leading. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. And there's an available AKG premium audio system that delivers studio-quality sound, perfect for those long drives when you're not unleashing all 685 horses on a back road. What makes the CT5-V Blackwing truly special is that it's not just about straight-line speed. Cadillac's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension setup with Magnetic Ride Control 5.0, offering adaptive dampers that read the road 1,000 times per second. This allows the car to stay planted during aggressive cornering while still delivering a comfortable ride when you want to take it easy. There's also an electronically controlled limited slip differential at the rear, Brembo carbon ceramic brakes available for maximum stopping power, and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires that offer immense grip. It's a performance machine that you can genuinely live with every day. Whether you're hitting the track or heading to dinner, the 2026 model continues to offer selectable drive modes: Tours, Sport, Track, Snow, Ice, and customizable V mode, allowing drivers to tailor the throttle response, shift points, steering feel, and suspension settings. In V mode, you can even configure the exhaust note, which ranges from quiet and composed to absolutely thunderous. And yes, the exhaust note is pure American muscle, raw, aggressive, and deeply satisfying. There's no artificial enhancement through the speakers. What you hear is the real deal, echoing from quad tips and reminding you that the V8 era isn't dead just yet. Cadillac also hasn't forgotten about safety and technology. The 2026 CT5-V Blackwing comes standard with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, and enhanced automatic emergency braking. However, what sets this Blackwing apart is that these safety features don't dull the driving experience. You still have full control and engagement, with the systems designed to support you, not override you. For those who want an extra layer of semi-autonomy, Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is optionally available and more advanced than ever. Supporting over 400,000 miles of compatible roads across North America. Production of the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing will continue at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant in Michigan. And while pricing hasn't been dramatically increased, expect it to start just above $100,000, especially with optional performance and carbon fiber packages. Considering what you're getting, one of the last true V8 manual sedans with cutting-edge technology and handcrafted luxury. It's hard to find a better value in this niche of performance cars. It's worth noting that while other automakers are moving toward electrification and downsizing, Cadillac has given enthusiasts one more gift: a raw, analog, emotion-packed machine that connects you to the road in a way few cars today can. This might be one of the final chapters in the high-horsepower internal combustion saga. And the CT5-V Blackwing ensures it's a story worth remembering. For drivers who crave the feel of a well-balanced chassis, the roar of a supercharged V8, and the refinement of a true luxury interior, the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing checks every box and then some. Whether you're a collector, an adrenaline junkie, or just someone who appreciates engineering brilliance, the CT5-V Blackwing deserves your attention. It's more than just a car, it's an icon. And with this 2026 refresh, Cadillac proves that American performance can still go head-to-head with the best from Europe and Japan. If this is the swan song for the Blackwing in the V8 era, then what a way to go out. You're looking at a future classic, no doubt. That's all for today on Car Vibes. If you love this deep dive into the 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest reviews and updates. Drop a comment below. Would you go for the manual or the automatic? And is this the last great American sports sedan? Let us know. Until next time, keep the revs high and the vibes even higher.